about an import here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1999 BMW Z3 Convertible Roadster. Nice looking car. This particular car is a 2-owner vehicle. No accidents indicated on the Carfax. Confirms the miles. Everything looks good on the Carfax. Well taken care of local car. Underneath the hood, 2.3 liter inline 6-speed manual. Of course, all the goodies on it: AC, power mirrors, power locks, power windows, AC blows cold. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior of this car, the underside, engine bay, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Let you get a good look at the front fascia on this car. There are a few spots up on the hood where previous owner has touched up a couple little small paint chips, but overall, paint shows very well. If you check out the still pictures, I took the, there's little VIN markings or VIN tags on each of the body panels to show that they're original. You can see those in the still pictures, all original body panels. Hood, fenders, doors, trunk. The interior is an ebony or black leather on it. 6-speed manual transmission, excuse me, I want to say 5-speed manual transmission paired up with that 2.3 liter. Center console. A little aftermarket Sony stereo is added to it also. Everything functioning properly as far as the stereo and wipers. Does have heated seats also. Riding on the original alloy wheels. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see up and down the passenger side, not full of nicks, dings, or scratches. Come around to the rear. This one pretty much looks as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos. Yeah, there might be a couple little touch-up spots on it as far as little chips, but other than that, extremely nice shape. Now, of course, this does have the power top. Top is black in color. Before this video is over, I'll pop that top up and let you take a look at that. We'll take off the parade boot or convertible top cover there. Let's go ahead and look at the interior of this. Power mirror switch here. Does have power seat also. And as you can see, seats are worn nicely, not any sort of holes, tears, rips. Just a little bit of where the leather will just kind of start to wrinkle. Like a nice soft pair of shoes when they get broke in. So just the leather wearing. A little conditioner on that always takes care of it. Keeps it soft and supple. All right, let's go ahead, fire this up, check out the exact miles. About 33,000 FYI. Let's take a look. 33,656. Fired up, no engine lights on, indicators, anything like that. Again, Sony stereo, that is working. AC blows cold. Now it'll freeze me out. Noise dash. Isn't sun-baked or weathered or anything like that. Carpeting, flooring, all nice in this car. Runs and sounds as it should also. I'll slip around to the back so you can hear this. Again, 2.3 liter inline 6, and let's slip up there, pop the hood, and take a peek at that. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second just so I can get the hood open, check out that engine bay, and then take a peek at the top too.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Take a look at the hood liner. Not stained. Get the glare out of there. There you go. So you can tell this car has not been driven in the winter. It's not like you'll get around in one of these cars in the winter. So So they are summer only fun. All right. Right up here's that kind of fin tag I was talking about that's on all the panels of the car. He'll do the other one down here. Those are in the pictures too, so you can tell this is all original. Body panels. That 2.3 liter smooth runner. Nice and tidy. This is actually the color, paint code on the car would be Hellrot red. Rather interesting. There's that other little VIN placard for that panel, and again, they're in the trunk, doors, you can see that in all the still pictures. Alright. I'm going to close that up, shut this off, put the top up for you so we can check out that top and finish up this video. Got the top up. Again, power top. I just put the parking brake on, had my foot on the brake, pushed the button, went right up, FYI. Black cloth. Rear window clear, looks good. Top is not full of rips or tears or holes. Again, going to keep you out of the sun if you want it up for that and keep cool, or if you're trying to stay dry, get caught in a little rain with it. Top functions, works properly, and is in good shape. Looking for an inexpensive, nice little Roadster, not a lot of miles on it. Here you go. 1999 BMW Z3. Clean Carfax. 33,000 original miles. Hellrot red. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.